Hi everyone, and in this short YouTube video, I will show you how to get this symbol pi in Microsoft Excel. To do that, open Microsoft Excel and select one of these columns here and enter the letter P and highlight the letter and select font here and search for the font code symbol and select it, and our P has been converted to pi. To get the value for pi, select this column here and enter equals to and the letters pi and open the bracket and close the bracket and press enter, and we've got the value for pi here. You can also decrease and increase the value by selecting this value here, and also to decrease it, just press this or select it to decrease it, and to increase the value, just press this one. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, subscribe and share. Bye.